If AutoCAD is showing error 1, which is usually a licensing failure, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 quick fixes that can get AutoCAD working again. We'll restart the licensing service, clear the login cache, and then check for updates to make sure everything is running properly. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and if it helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, we're going to restart the Autodesk Desktop Licensing Service. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R to open the run box. Then type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the services window on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find Autodesk Desktop Licensing Service. Once you see it, right-click on it. If the service is already running, choose Restart. If it's stopped, choose Start instead. This step is important because AutoCAD depends on this licensing service to verify your account and activate properly. A quick restart can refresh the connection and fix temporary licensing glitches. If error 1 still appears after that, the next step is to clear the login cache. First, close AutoCAD completely. Make sure the program is not running in the background, then open File Explorer and go to this location, %local app data, %/Autodesk/web services. Inside that folder, look for a file called loginstate.eml. Delete that file. Don't worry, this is just a saved sign-in cache, and removing it forces AutoCAD to create a fresh login session the next time you open it. After deleting the file, reopen AutoCAD and sign in again with your Autodesk account. This often fixes corrupted login data that can trigger licensing errors. Now for the final step, we're going to check for updates. Open the Autodesk Access app on your computer. If you have any pending updates, install them right away, especially for Autodesk Identity Manager and the licensing service. These updates often include bug fixes and improvements that resolve licensing problems like error 1. Once the updates finish installing, restart your computer if prompted, then launch AutoCAD again and test it. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix the issue and get you back to work without reinstalling anything. If AutoCAD Error 1 is still happening after this, you may need to check your internet connection, confirm your Autodesk account is active, or sign out and sign back in one more time. But for most users, restarting the service, clearing the cache, and updating the Autodesk tools will solve it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.